Have you ever watched
She
those
was the campus
interesting
queen.
AI dialogue
Beautiful,
videos
popular,
where two
untouchable.
characters are talking
Every weekend
so
was another
naturally
party.
that you
Ada,
almost forget they
the
aren't
party
real?
starts in 10
Now
minutes.
imagine
I'm
creating those
coming.
same videos yourself in just a few minutes. And the best part?
You work
You can
so
do it
hard, Ada. I'm proud of
completely
the woman you're
free.
becoming.
Stay with me because by
Thanks,
the
Mom.
end of this video,
Almost
you'll
done.
know
Keep focused on your
exactly how to
goals.
create your own AI dialogue videos
To the
from
future.
scratch using just 2 simple
You work
steps.
so hard.
And I'll also
I'm
share
proud of the
one
woman you're
small
becoming.
trick near the end that makes your videos look much more natural and
Thanks,
keeps
Mom.
people watching longer. So, let's get started. Step 1. Let's create our dialogue and images. The first thing we need is a script. Now, instead of spending hours trying to come up with a story idea, you can simply ask ChatGPT or Claude to help you create one. But for today's tutorial, I already have a story idea I want to develop, so I'll be using ChatGPT. Go ahead and open ChatGPT. Now give it a clear prompt describing the kind of story you want. For today's example, this is the prompt I used. Write a highly emotional, suspenseful, short dialogue story for a 2-minute video about a gorgeous Gen Z girl living a two-faced life. She's a baddie at university and responsible at home. She lived a reckless life at university and regretted it. The story must begin with a powerful hook that immediately grabs attention and creates curiosity. Build a compelling narrative arc filled with suspense, emotional tension, cliffhangers, and unexpected plot twists that keep viewers watching until the very end. Make the characters feel real and relatable. Focus on deep human emotions such as love, sacrifice, regret, loneliness, betrayal, gratitude, and redemption. The audience should connect emotionally with the story and feel invested in the outcome. As you can see, the prompt is very detailed. That's because the more specific your prompt is, the better your dialogue will be. Within just a few seconds, you'll have a complete script ready. But don't stop there. Read through the story carefully. If you don't like the flow or maybe the ending isn't strong enough, simply adjust your prompt and generate another version. Remember, AI gives better results when you keep improving your instructions. Another thing I like is that you can choose the storytelling style. You can create a narration-only story, a dialogue-only story, or combine both narration and dialogue together, which is called a hybrid style. Just choose the style that fits the kind of content you want to create. If you look closely, I'm using the hybrid style. It's simply a mix of dialogue and narration, and I personally like it because it makes the story feel more natural and engaging. Now, once you're happy with your script, it's time to create your characters. For this part, I also used ChatGPT. The reason is simple. I really like the image quality it produces. Under my script, I simply type, "Give me image prompts for the story above in 3D Pixar style." One thing I really love is that ChatGPT first creates character references before generating the image prompts. That helps keep your characters consistent throughout the entire story. Personally, I mostly use the image prompts because ChatGPT already understands what each character looks like, so the consistency is much better. For the images, I simply copied each prompt one at a time, then pasted it into a new ChatGPT chat to generate the characters. Notice how consistent the characters look from one image to the next. That's one of the reasons I like using this method. And just like that, you now have everything you need for the next step. Quick question, but before we continue, I'd like to know something. What type of AI dialogue videos would you love to create? Romance? Family drama? Office stories? Restaurant stories? Billionaire stories? Or something completely different? Please let me know in the comments. I read every single one, and who knows, your idea might become my next video. All right, let's bring those characters to life. Step 2. Turn your characters into AI dialogue video. Now comes the exciting part. We're finally going to make our characters speak. Open your Chrome browser and search for Dola AI. Open the website, and you'll see an interface like this. Sign in using your Gmail account. The free version lets you generate videos up to 10 seconds long, which makes it perfect for dialogue scenes. Once you're logged in, click More, then select Create Video. You'll see an option called Reference Image. Tap on it to upload the character image you created earlier. Next, go back to ChatGPT. Copy only the dialogue for that character, then paste it into Dola AI. When everything looks good, click Generate. Within a few moments, your character starts speaking naturally.
A few moments later.
You work so hard, Ada. I'm proud of the woman you're becoming.
Thanks, Mom.
Now, simply repeat the same process for the second character. Once you've generated all your clips, import them into your favorite editing software. Arrange the scenes, one after the other, add subtitles, add transitions and effects, add background music if you like, and your AI dialogue video is ready. That's literally it. Just 2 simple steps. Create your script, generate your images, then turn everything into video. Here's a small trick most beginners miss. Keep every dialogue line short. Real conversations move quickly. People react. They interrupt each other. They don't speak in long paragraphs. Short, back-and-forth conversations feel more natural. They're easier to watch, and they keep viewers engaged for much longer. It's a very small change, but it makes a huge difference. And that's it. Just 2 simple steps. First, use ChatGPT to create your script and your character images. Then use Dola AI to turn those characters into realistic talking videos. Repeat the process for each scene. Join everything together, and you'll have an engaging AI dialogue video ready to share with the world. Always remember this. The tools don't create great videos. Your creativity does. The tools simply help you bring your imagination to life. Before you go, if you found this tutorial helpful, please do me a small favor. Hit the like button. It really helps this channel reach more creators who want to learn AI content creation. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, because I'll be sharing more AI tutorials, prompt secrets, and content strategies that will help you create better videos in less time. If you have any questions, drop them below, and your question might become my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, click the next video on your screen. I'll show you another simple AI trick that can save you even more time and help you create even better videos. I'll see you there.
You work so hard. I'm proud of the woman you're becoming.
Thanks, Mom.
Every neighbor called Ada the perfect daughter. At home, she cooked, studied, and cared for her sick mother. But at university, she was the campus queen. Beautiful, popular, untouchable.
Ada, the party starts in 10 minutes. I'm coming.
Every weekend was another party, another guy, another mistake she promised herself she'd never repeat. Then one night changed everything. Is this Ada? Yes? Your mother collapsed. Come to the hospital immediately. Her heart stopped. The phone slipped from her hand. Hours later, Ada stared at the floor. Her bank account was empty. The designer bags, expensive dinners, and endless parties suddenly felt meaningless. Then her phone buzzed. A message from David, the quiet classmate she always ignored. Text: I heard about your mom. Check your email. Confused, Ada opened it. Her eyes widened. The hospital bill had been paid. Completely. Tears filled her eyes. 3 years ago, she saw me crying outside the registrar's office. She helped me without telling anyone. Ada broke down. All those years, her mother never mentioned it.
Why would you do this for me?
Because your mother once paid my school fees.
What?
3 years ago, she saw me crying outside the registrar's office. She helped me without telling anyone.
That night, Ada sat beside her unconscious mother, holding her hand, crying. I spent years chasing attention from people who wouldn't even answer my calls. A tear rolled down her cheek. But the kindness you gave a stranger came back to save you. Her mother slowly opened her eyes and smiled.
Oh, Mom, you are awake. I was so worried. My love, I'm here.
For the first time, Ada felt ashamed of the life she'd been living. Months later, the party stopped. The reckless choices ended. She focused on school, family, and becoming someone her mother could truly be proud of. Because she finally understood something important.
I spent years chasing attention from people who wouldn't even answer my calls, but the kindness you gave a stranger came back to save you.
Popularity can fill a room, but character fills a life. The people impressed by your beauty may forget you. The people touched by your kindness never will. What you plant in others today may save you tomorrow.